What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video. As y'all can see, we got them toys out tonight. We got the big body straight 8 and we got the big body cat. We is finna head out the railroad. My boy Jay 1X03.
Yeah. That boy on it.
My boy Jay 1X03. He got the ride out tonight. So you feel me? We all finna ride out. We waiting to see if some more people gonna pull up. SRTC got the straight 8 out.
Nah, come on.
Come on, give us some more. Show us how that 6-1 motherfucker do. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
He got that bitch shaking. In it. What you saying, bitch? Yo. What you talking about? That be boiler. Yo, give me one. Give me one more.
We gonna come to the front. Let's see what that mouth do. Go ahead and let this go.
Go back. Let me in.
Oh shit. My shit is spinning. Everybody got them 305s. We all ride on 305, bitch. Y'all don't know nothing about that straight 8. You feel me? We deep at the gas station. This my nigga SRTC got the switch in the back. You feel me? My boy J1X03 got the Drake in the trunk. He got that full in the trunk. He's standing on all bulls, huh? By the way, I'm not filling this bitch up. I'm tired of putting gas in here. And I ain't gonna drive that bitch no more till next weekend. My boy over here eating an apple and shit. You feel me? Eating a healthy, nutritional snack. As you can see, we made it to the spot. You feel me? We got a lot of people out there, bitch. We got my boy Bama Boy rolling. He don't do car content, but he do like pranks and shit. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his page. What's your YouTube?
Bambo rolling.
It's something else at the end of that shit.
Bambo rolling, nigga.
What?
Bambo. I said Bambo. That was that Bambo.
It's three numbers at the end of your YouTube, nigga. It's like Bama Boy rolling 419.
What the fuck is that? That's not my.
Yeah, Bama Boy rolling. If y'all don't find him, he don't give a fuck. He won't push out no motherfucking content. But we is, you feel me? We got that motherfucking cat out today. wreck cats. We don't wreck shit. I need to see who the fuck in this Infinity though. I'm on his ass. He like he
It's always a G37 driving.
and they always silver. Oh God, that's the only color. Alright y'all, so we finna go ahead and pull up at Buc-ee's. If y'all don't know what this is a big ass gas station. It's probably over 100 pumps at this hole, so ain't nobody gotta worry about not getting gas. And my car been crying all day because you wanna go to Buc-ee's. So we taking that bit to Buc-ee's. See, we in the cat bit, we got special privileges. We park in the middle of the motherfucking gas station, nigga. That's that Selmo Sound shit.